Okay, this is the morning after the storm. Oh my God, look at all the snow. Look at all of the snow. Jeez. Oh, poor things down there. Wow. Well, at least nobody's on the road. But yeah, look at all this. This is all the stuff I couldn't get out the door with last night. So, as you can see, let me take a walk. See what's down here. Oh my God, look at this. Poor guys, they'll be out here forever. Ever, 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 ever. It's pretty. Is that a plow? Yep, it's a plow. Oh, plowing the poor cars in. I thought this road was snow covered. I mean, a snow emergency road. But who knows? Oh, look at the little plow. A little salt. Oh, at least. Oh, there's another one. Oh my God, these people are not going to be able to get their cars out. Thank God that's not me, but I wonder what the parking lot looks like. All right. Look at here, look at here. Oh, that's my building right there. And the poor guys down there still trying to shovel. All right, I'm out.